You broke down, didn't you?
Me?
Yep.
No.
Someone did to get the new knives.
Year-end maintenance.
Year-end maintenance.
Year beginning maintenance.
What do you got going on? New knife and guards or what?
Yep. Unfortunately.
Redo the header?
Yep.
You know, bean harvest is right around the corner.
It was around the corner. We've passed the corner. We are in bean harvest now that it's reading. That ought to do it. That's all we need, right?
Yeah, if you want to take it off 3 feet at a time.
Yep. What does Inspector Murphy say?
Murph, will that work? Oh my. Hey, those are sharp. Watch your little puppy paws. We got Chief Inspector Murphy here making sure that we're going to do a good job today.
Get out of there.
Yeah, get, yeah.
We're going to have a hell of a skip in the middle.
Yeah. Weird.
Holy moly, why so many sections?
Well, I'm pretty sure the goal for the day is to get the header all tidied up, huh?
Yep, or something. Or we'll just get into the first aid box and not get anything accomplished.
What about the first aid box?
I'm feeling cold start too.
Oh yes, from the last episode, the 4520 cold start.
Yeah. What are we, about 40 degrees now?
Yeah, give or take. It was about 32 this morning. I don't crack 32 in town.
It was 31 when I was driving into town this morning.
So I got cold. So it's going to be a true cold start. Alrighty guys, as you've seen in the last episode, this is the 4520 that we had a little fun turning the fuel up on it. We didn't get a cold start video of it last time, so we're going to throw that in this episode here. This tractor's been sitting for what, a week? It's a true cold start right here. Sounds mean.
That high helps the way it cranks.
Oh no. Charge the battery up a little. Oh, hey, yo. It wants to womp womp so bad. Yeah, that's in the womp womp class. Yep. So that's the cold start there. That's from the last episode. If you guys want to check out what we did in the 4520, check out the episode before.
So many sections.
Yeah, one more to go. That's the head section. So much cardboard, so little time. And that's got to go into there. And those all
gotta go on first.
Onto there.
Can we just go back to fixing things on this channel, Dylan?
Well, I'm kind of thinking if we do the whole, like what you see other creators on YouTube do, where they snap their fingers and all of a sudden it's magically on there.
That's probably what's going to happen, Dave. Make it dark.
I don't know. It's worth a try, not? I'd try anything once.
Yeah.
Well, for those of Easy Murph that caught the last episode, this combine was in on the last episode. We changed the batteries in it, and then John found out or decided it's time to replace the cutter bar in it. Looks like he's got new guards in the cutter bar here. But we are going to get started on this. Get all this, good golly goodness, put together, mount it on the thing, and put it on the header. So with that being said, we are going to try the magic of editing and snap to where we have all the guards on. Ready? And just like that, all the guards are put on and in place. Why can't farming always be like that, where you just snap your fingers quickly and then all of a sudden they just align into place?
Oh, I thought it was.
It sure looks like it was. Anyway, guards are on, so now we move on to the sections, the knife. Slide these puppies together.
Why with the staples?
John's arguing with the staples. Don't lose your nuts.
We did that already.
Oh, splice kit.
Yep. Why is everything oily? Why does it have to always be oily?
Corrosion. Preventive this. Inside of a welly stapled shut plastic housing.
Oh. And that one's crooked.
Take it back. Tell me you want a different one. Tell them it's crooked.
Oh, shit. I need a top half.
I'll be back. I'll be back. Ta-da!
hot.
A lot of this can be a...
Quick, look like we're doing something.
I am. I'm creating content. You're working. A lot of this here can be kind of a boring, tedious task as well. Once again, if anything fun or cool, exciting happens, we'll turn the camera back on, but for the most part, this is going to be a pretty straightforward process. So we'll catch you guys here in a second after we get the knife slid into place. And the breaker bars come out. Just on the last little bit, though. For the most part, the whole knife went in okay. A couple hold downs that were giving us a hard time, but overall it slid in all right. Oh.
I like wore out shit. It comes apart easier. This new stuff's a pain. It's too tight. Just, gosh dang it. There.
Get in your home. Are you too good for your home?
Certainly. We need penetrating oil, Dylan.
Murph, penetrating oil. Chop, chop.
Got one. The other one, on the other hand, ain't gonna be that much fun.
It's a little further in there.
Can't see that anymore. Got a header over there that's got a brand new one on it. Basically brand new. So when I need it, I know where it's at.
Yeah, this bill's still got a few hundred acres in it.
What? Okay, let's go to the bar.
Okay. Well, folks, that concludes our episode for today. Are you gonna fire up and runner?
No.
Oh,
I don't know. Are we?
I figured you might, just to make sure it.
We gotta go through and readjust these.
Boss is back.
Shit. Look busy. Get out of the way. Excuse me.
I'm still in your way, ain't I?
Left the door open one night, now I got moths. Then Dylan volunteered to put concaves in.
Shit, you don't have that done yet? He needs to warn me before he does this.
Fucking grain trucks.
What are you doing with that?
None of your business. We got gas.
Murph. Murphy. Well, just got out to John's and he's nowhere to be found. But there's reminiscence that John was here. Let's see if he was here recently. Oh yeah. Cold can. John's not too far. Just where is he hiding? This is new. What is this doing here? We got both doors open. And a drill. Okay. Check. And I see I left my speaker outside last night. That can't be good. Well, a couple things got moved, huh?
You're late. You missed the whole oil change.
Oh shit. Well, put the old stuff
and the battery.
Put the old stuff back in and then just do it over.
You're late.
And the white pickup moved. Pitch and poop moved.
Mm-hmm. What happens when you don't get here when I tell you to?
I said I'd be here after a while. You said, okay.
Well, I didn't figure 3 hours later.
I kind of thought in my head, I'm like, you're going to text me and be like, are you going to come out or not? And then I'll be like, I'm just like a mile down the road. I'll be right there.
I just completely ignored you. I was like, I'm just going to do my thing, whether you come or not.
I made the mistake of stopping out the folks' place.
Do you at least bring cookies?
I don't have cookies. She didn't make cookies. Sorry.
Dang it. I need grease, axle grease.
Where are you going to get that on a day like today?
13 miles that way. Go away, Murphy.
Murph, get out of there. Right or left? Must be this way. I can feel the drag.
Backwards, back. It's down an inch or so. Yeah, I can find a grease gun. Okay. Stay off the cardboard.
Rear end has oil in it.
Yeah, and the battery in this thing just completely died.
Grabby.
Like, it's
Jiggling the wires doesn't do anything anymore?
no, like the battery just died.
Oh.
It's got nothing in it anymore.
Gave all it could give.
It literally died just sitting in the yard. Oh, shitty one, dude.
Now what are you checking?
Transmission.
Is it still there?
Yep.
Oh, good. Checked.
I need to credit my crescent wrench that's laying on the trailer, though.
Here's a hammer. I was actually a little lost by you calling it by its actual name. I've gotten so used to you calling it the Mexican speed wrench.
Calling it everything but what actually it is.
Exactly. I got a little confused.
Oh, yeah, I got all kinds of grease. I knew one of them on here leaked. I just couldn't remember exactly which one. That poopy job is done. Oh, now I can start it and check fluids again.
Yeah, so you got her.
Needs a little antifreeze.
I would say it caps off.
I know. I need antifreeze. I ain't got any antifreeze left.
Yeah.
The other battery was so bad the alternator wouldn't even show it would charge anymore.
long as he could, but he couldn't make it. We'll have a prayer service for him later.
Yep.
Hey, your jug of oil behind the rear wheel yet? Hold on.
Going that way. I was driving ahead.
Oh. Right, but I just don't have it in me to watch you accidentally hit that for whatever odd reason.
I'm driving forward.